Never get too attached to someone because attachment lead to expectations and expectations lead to suffering. To be free from suffering, free yourself from attachment. Attachment is another name of disappointment and pain. The less attached you are, the more peaceful you will be. Have a mind that is open to everything and attached to nothing. Attachment is a great fabricator of illusions. Reality can be attained only by someone who is detached. It is a sign of great character and strength to be able to lose your attachment to anyone or anything that is not good for you. Most of our troubles come from attachment to things that we mistakenly see as permanent. Sometimes the best thing you can do is not to think, not wonder, not imagine, not obsess. Just breathe and have faith that everything will work out for the best. Attachment constrains our vision so that we are not able to see things from a wider perspective. Drop the idea that attachment and love are one thing. They are opposite. It is attachment that destroys all love. Try not to confuse attachment with love. Attachment is about fear and dependency and has more to do with love of self than love of another. Love without attachment is the purest love. Do not blame people for disappointing you. Blame yourself for expecting too much from them. Attachment is not love. At times we mistake love with attachment and start thinking that we are falling in love. Too many disappointments are usually a sign of too many expectations. He who experiences the unity of life sees his own self in all beings and all beings in his own self and looks on everything with an impartial eye. The biggest thing that is going wrong in our life is that we have considered that attachment as a love. Everything is temporary. Emotions, thoughts, people and scenery. Do not become attached, just flow with it. Our journey is about being more deeply involved in life and yet less attached to it. Let go of what's gone, be grateful for what remains, look forward to what's coming. The root of suffering is attachment. Remember that sometimes not getting what you want is a wonderful stroke of luck. Look within, be still, free from fear and attachment. Know the joy of living in the way. You only lose what you cling to. The greatest generosity is non-attachment. Everything changes, nothing remains without change. I am practicing non-attachment, accepting what comes and allowing it to leave when it is time. What's for me will be for me effortlessly. Everything is temporary. Emotions, thoughts, people and their scenery. Do not become attached, just flow with it.